How to edit the content of a project. You can customize the quiz introduction, questions, answers, and feedback using the Edit option. Can I rename a project? Yes. Click on Rename and enter a new name for the project. Is it possible to move projects between folders? Yes, you can transfer projects between folders you've created by clicking on Move. How to delete a project. Use the Delete option to remove a project and all its content. To learn how to organize your projects, please click on the respective video link.